Chrome just crashed with status access violation on the AW Snap page. Don't panic. It is not a virus, and your computer is not dying. It just means a browser process tried to touch a piece of memory it shouldn't have. We are going to walk through 7 quick fixes to get you back up and running. We will start with the fastest ones and end with a weird workaround that almost nobody tries. Fix number 1, refresh the page, just hit F5. It sounds dumb, but it instantly clears out one-off memory spikes. If the error goes away, you are good. If it keeps happening on the exact same page, move on to the next step. Fix number 2, update your browser. Click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner, go to Help, and then click about Google Chrome. Google ships stability patches for this exact error regularly, so let the browser check for updates and relaunch if it finds one. Fix number 3, turn off your extensions. Type Chrome://extensions into your address bar. Toggle everything off, restart Chrome, and test it out. If the crash stops, re-enable them one by one to catch the culprit. Keep a close eye on script injectors or old ad blockers, as they are the usual suspects. Fix number 4, clear your cache and cookies. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete all at the same time. Set the time range to all time. Check the boxes for cached files and cookies, and hit Clear. This fixes crashes tied to corrupted data sitting on specific sites. Fix number 5, disable hardware acceleration. Open Settings, search for the word Hardware, toggle off the option that says Use graphics acceleration when available, and click Relaunch. This is the single biggest fix if your crash is started right after a Windows update or a graphics card driver update. Fix number 6, reset your Chrome profile. Close Chrome completely. Open your Windows Run dialog, type %-local-app-data- %-/- Google-//Chrome-// user-data and hit Enter. Look for the folder named Default and rename it to Backup Default. When you relaunch Chrome, it will build a completely fresh profile, which solves crashes that happen right at startup. Fix number 7, rename the executable file. Go to your Chrome installation folder, usually in Program Files, and change the name of chrome.exe to something like chromebrowser.exe. This is a well-known workaround if a security software update is accidentally blocking Chrome by its file name. Just a quick heads up. Doing this can sometimes break Netflix or Disney Plus streaming. If that happens to you, just rename the file back to chrome.exe. To recap, if you see this error, try a quick refresh, check for updates, disable your extensions, clear your cache, turn off hardware acceleration, reset your profile, or rename the executable. If you are still stuck, there is an even deeper registry edit fix. It is the nuclear option, and I have mapped out the exact step-by-step instructions for it over on chromestory.com. You can find the direct link down in the description below. If this video helped you get your tabs back, hit subscribe for more quick tech fixes.